So I've got my office chair here. Now it took me right around 20 to 30 minutes to put together, but everything came together very well. I love the color on here. Now this is kind of a darker brown, but it does come in other colors. Also, I love that we have a quilted design here, and it's offset by this white stitching. It's on the back side and then also on the bottom where you're going to sit. Now this does have lumbar support. So right here, it does have a little air ball right here. So you're going to squeeze that. That's going to go ahead and put in air right around here to give you some support. And then when you want to adjust that and release the air, you're just going to press this. Now also we've got cushion armrests here, both sides. You can see here we've got the white stitching all lined on the armrest and the chair itself. So it looks really nice and elegant. Let me go ahead and show you what the back looks like. Just nice and clean on the back side here. Now on the right side, we do have two levers. This allows you to adjust the height, and it also allows you to lean back in the chair and lock in that position. So it's very versatile, allows you to do quite a few things. And overall, it's just really nice and comfortable. I do love the way it feels. And if that wasn't enough, when you're leaning back, it does have a footrest. It slides out like this, and then you just flip that over. You can adjust this more towards the seat or back, whatever's more comfortable. And then when you're still using it, you just slide it back on in. A lot of nice little features here. Looks fantastic, especially with the offset quilted design here with the white stitching. Hope you found this review helpful.